In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark all your emails as read in Gmail. This is a simple trick that can help you manage your inbox more efficiently, and it's perfect for those times when you want to clear up all the unread messages without going through them one by one. Let's dive right in and simplify your email experience. When you first open your Gmail account, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is essentially the hub from where you can access all your emails and conversations. Now, you might be wondering how to quickly mark all your emails as read. The first step is to locate the checkbox at the very top of your email list. It's right there, sitting above your first email. This little box is a powerful tool because it allows you to select all the emails that are currently visible in the section of your inbox you're navigating. Once you've found this checkbox, go ahead and click on it. What this does is select every single email in the current view. You will notice that after clicking the checkbox, some new options magically appear at the top of the page. It's as if Gmail knows you're ready for more actions and gives you a mini toolbar tailored for mass management of your messages. Among these options, you will see an icon that looks like an envelope that's opened. A simple design, right? This is the icon you need to focus on. Click that envelope icon because that's the magic button that will transform all your selected emails from unread to read. In essence, this action tells Gmail to mark every single one of those chosen emails as something you've already looked at, even if you haven't opened each one individually. It's a handy way to clear out the clutter visually and start fresh without losing any important messages. And just like that, you're done. All selected emails are now marked as read. It really is as easy as those few clicks. This quick and efficient method can be a lifesaver when you're dealing with tons of unread emails and need to declutter fast. Remember, managing your inbox effectively can save you time and stress, allowing you to focus on the emails that really matter to you. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage your Gmail inbox. I hope you find this tip helpful in keeping your emails organized. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore more features within Gmail that can elevate your email management experience. Thank you for tuning in and happy emailing.